Hello, today's topic about Jawaharlal Nehru. Everyone knows him. He is the first Prime Minister of India. Jawaharlal Nehru is the first Prime Minister of India. He emerged as an eminent leader of the Indian independence movement, serving India as Prime Minister from its establishment 1947 as an independent nation until his death in 1964. He served as a prime minister in India until his death 1964. He was also known as Pandit Nehru due to his rocks with the Kashmir Pandit community, while Indian children knew him better as Chacha Nehru. Indian children knew him as Chacha Nehru. Chacha Nehru was born on November 14th, 1889 in Allahabad, India. He is the son of Swarupa Rani and Motilal Nehru. Nehru was graduate of Trinity College, Cambridge, where he trained to be a barrister. Upon his return to India, he enrolled at the Allahabad High Court and took an interest in national politics. He became the prominent leader of the left-wing factions of the Indian National Congress during the 1920s. Nehru and the Congress dominated Indian politics during the 1930s as the country moved towards independence. Muhammad Ali Jinnah had come to dominate Muslim politics in India. Negotiations between Congress and Muslim League for power sharing failed and gave way to the independence and bloody partition of India in 1947. Partition of India in 1947. Nehru was elected by the Congress to assume office as independent India's first Prime Minister. In India, his birthday is celebrated as a Bal Divas Children's Day, 14th of November. He had only child. Her name is Indira Priyadarshini. Indira Priyadarshini was born in 1917. She would later, under her married name Indira Gandhi. Nehru wrote some books: The Discovery of India 1946, an autobiography 1936, Glimpses of World History 1934. Indira Gandhi also served as Prime Minister of India 1966 to 1977 and 1980 to 84. Nehru met Gandhi for the first time in 1916 at the annual meeting of the Indian National Congress in Lucknow. Gandhi was 20 years his senior. After his father's death in 1930, Nehru moved into the inner councils of the Congress party and became closer to Gandhi. When late in 1921, the prominent leaders and workers of the Congress party were outlawed in some provinces, Nehru went to prison for the first time. Over the next 24 years, he was to serve another 8 periods of detention, the last and longest ending in June 1945. After an imprisonment of almost 3 years. In all, Nehru spent more than 9 years in jail. Nehru spent how many years in jail? More than 9 years in jail. Nehru died 27th of May 1964. He is aged 74 at New Delhi in India. Resting place is Shantivan. Cause of death is heart attack. This is about Jawaharlal Nehru.